Hi, Jarrod, Carman from the View Group, and welcome to 5A Sudholz Street in Bittern. Down this long driveway of beautifully established trees is this magnificent home. Come inside and check it out. Really excited for you to see this one because it is magnificent. There's a massive storage room out the front, and this is a surprise package because it is sensational. Hydronic heating throughout, beautifully polished timber floorboards, and you walk into this open plan living space and the ceiling is way up there. It is beautiful. It's just a stunning home. Timber benchtop kitchen, all the ModCon appliances, there's a butler's pantry, you name it, it's got it. Spills outside. It's a really, really cool, entertaining home. You want a gas log fire, it's got it. You want ceiling fans, it's got it. Hydronic heating, it's got it. Split systems cooling. Imagine sitting back here, kicking by the fire, entertaining. It's a ripper. Through massive double doors is this really spacious main bedroom. Again, with hydronic heating, its own split system cooling. Part of the main bedroom is this huge walk-in robe. The awesome ensuite bathroom is absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful stone. The flooring is a timber look tile. It's just amazing. It's really beautiful. Away from the main bedroom are two huge other bedrooms, completely decked out with wardrobe and also with hydronic heating. With access to the main bathroom, which is stylish and cool with fantastic colours, huge shower and a big bath. Everything about this home is perfect for the entertainer. You've got this beautiful dining room right here, and everything looks out to the alfresco area, to the undercover. This is such a cool space. And that is the piece de resistance. Check that out. A beautiful in-ground pool with a fantastic spa underneath a Bali hut. A couple little secrets about the place. We've got barn doors that open up from the garage, and the garage floor is tiled and heated. So it's set up for entertaining. Everything's set up for entertaining. It's awesome. As you can see, this is such an amazing entertainer's home. It's really well decked out, just really well thought of. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give myself a call anytime because this one is not going to stick around.